In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Meet and effectively manage your meetings. If you're stepping into the realm of virtual meetings for the first time or just looking for a refresher, you're in the right place. Let's get started on creating and managing your meetings seamlessly. First, you'll want to visit Google Meet. You can do this by typing Google Meet in your browser or navigating directly to the Google Meet webpage. Once there, you'll see an option to sign in the upper right-hand corner. Click on that to proceed. Signing in is crucial as it allows you to access all the services Google offers and ensures that your meeting credentials can be saved and retrieved later. Next, you'll need to choose your Google account. If you've logged into Google services before, you'll see a list of your accounts. Select the one you want to use for your meeting. If it's a new account or if you haven't linked it with Google Meet yet, simply follow the prompts to log in. After selecting your account, the next step is to enter your password. Make sure you type it in correctly and then click Next to move forward. This step is vital for security reasons, ensuring only authorized users can organize and manage Google Meet sessions. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with the Google Meet dashboard. To start, click on the New Meeting button. This button is located prominently on the screen, making it easy to find. Clicking this gives you various options, including scheduling a meeting in advance or starting one instantly. Our focus is on starting an instant meeting, so once you click New Meeting, choose the option Start an Instant Meeting. This option will immediately create a virtual room for you to host your meeting. You and your participants can join this room in real time by sharing the provided link. As your instant meeting begins, you'll see a new interface. This is your meeting room. To manage your video, locate the camera icon typically found at the bottom of the screen. Clicking this icon allows you to toggle your camera on or off. For instance, if you click it now, you'll notice your camera turns off, offering a bit more privacy when needed during your session. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated and managed your Google Meet session. Just remember to familiarize yourself with the various buttons and features as you explore. They're all designed to enhance your virtual meeting experience. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Google Meet and ensuring your online interactions are as smooth as possible. Thank you for joining today, and I wish you productive meetings ahead.